I'm Malika. Welcome to my first YouTube video, and I'm super excited to create today's video because the OG, like we are recreating this OG's look today. My inspiration, I love her so much, and today my first video is completely dedicated to Shreya Jain because I bought my first MAC product only after Shreya Jain launched it with MAC. After hearing my voice, you can already understand that I'm super excited as well as super nervous to begin with this video. And if you are here to support me, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon, and also please watch this video. Now, without any much further ado, we're going to begin. So let's begin. So to begin with, I do have a complete bare face right now. I don't have anything, I don't even have any moisturizer on because I do want you all to see the entire skin prep which I will be doing for this look. Now, as you can see in this look, that the skin of Shreya Jain, it looks super dewy, super glowy and super beautiful. So to get this sort of a skin, you do need to have a really nice skin prep before starting off with your makeup. So I will be using the Kama Ayurveda rose water as my toner because this rose water, like it's a pure distilled rose water. After a good spray of that, I'm more active right now. Anyway, now this rose water, it balances the pH scale of your skin. It helps to shrink all your pores, and it also helps to give you a very glowy and a luminous look to your skin. Now I'll be just dabbing the rose water so that my skin absorbs it faster. Now I'll be going on with the moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. Just feel free to use any moisturizer. I will be using the moisturizer from SB Med. Now this is a very nice moisturizer. I use it because of my acne prone skin, and it also helps to get rid of the acne marks which your skin might have. So I'll be using a generous amount of this moisturizer. Now it's a gel based moisturizer, let me tell you. Before using it, I'll be just warming up between my palms and then apply it really nicely all over my face and neck area. Now I just want to tell you all something, that before applying any of these things, please do give your skin some time so that it absorbs the layers before absorbing the next layer, as your makeup will tend to slip off if you do not take care of that thing. Now after applying it, I will be applying this Wet n Wild Dewy Illuminix primer, because this primer is really dewy and it also gives you the Smashbox feel, the Smashbox Radiance Primer feel. It's pretty affordable, and I feel that it's an entire dupe of the Smashbox Radiance Primer. So apply this all over your face and neck area. It's really beautiful. Can you see the glow it gives? I mean, oh god, this primer. It gives a beautiful texture and a beautiful canvas to work on with your makeup. Now, after I've applied this primer really well, I'm going to wait a few seconds. So do you have to wait, because your foundation will tend to slip off if you do not wait a few seconds after applying this primer. Now, I will be applying the foundation in the shade NC35. It's a Studio Fix MAC foundation. Now this is a sample because I just want to finish off all my samples. Now this foundation tends to oxidize on my face, so I will be using a lighter shade. My actual shade is NC40, but I will be using NC35 for this makeup look because I do tend to oxidize a lot. So let's begin. Now this foundation, it appears a lot greasy if you apply it in a huge quantity. So please use in very less quantity so that you do not waste a lot and you do not tend to look cakey after this entire look. The entire look has to look very put together and very natural. So I'll be dotting only a few dots. Yes, just that much and you're done. Like, you don't need any more. Now along with this foundation, I will be using the MAC strobe cream in the shade Peach Light as well, just to give the very dewy effect which Shreya Jain also has. I'm not able to open this anyway, it's opened. Now I'll be dotting it as well in very small amount. Obviously you don't need a lot, you need a very little, less is more. Now with a buffing brush, this is from PAC, it's in the number 265, I will be buffing it. I'll be going in with very small strokes. As you can see, I'm going to work really fast with this foundation. We don't want it to sit. As you can see, it gives such a beautiful coverage. We didn't even have to apply a lot to get this coverage. I've applied such less and I already have such a beautiful coverage going on. Now I will be moving on with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand, and it's lighter than my skin tone because I want to highlight my under eyes as Shreya Jain does it, and the bridge of my nose, my forehead area, my chin area, and some spots which I do want to cover. So yeah, now I will be using my fingers to blend this concealer because I want maximum coverage, and I think any brush or sponge will take away the coverage. And to be very honest, I cannot see any contouring going on in this entire look, so I will not be doing any contouring. And for the blush, I do not want to go with a powder blush, so I will be going on with a cream based blush. But as I do not have any cream based blush, so I will be using a lipstick and for my blush. Now I'm going to use the lipstick from Nykaa in the shade Daydreaming, because this lipstick, like, it works as a very nice blush. It has a satin finish and it's a very good lipstick for which you can use for a blush. So I'll be just dotting it because she has a lot of blush, I believe, for this look. Your blush shouldn't look stark, so please don't forget to spread it around. So I guess this looks so beautiful on the skin. Now I will not be using any highlighter on top. Instead, I will be using this same strobe cream in the shade Peach Light, and I'll be putting it on the cheekbones and on the bridge of my nose. Now I'm doing all this with my hand, but you can feel free to do it with your brush as well. Some on the chin as well. This looks so beautiful. I mean, like, seriously, this much and you still look so beautiful. Please, and you should have blended it well, otherwise it's going to look really bad if you do not blend it well. Now that we are done with the beautiful base, I will be applying the MAC Fix Plus, and all over my face to get the dewy look. It's from the Desi Girl kit itself. Wow, I mean, you see that glow? It looks so beautiful, right? I'm in love with it. The base looks so beautiful. You can use a beauty blender as well to dab this, but I will not be using anything. I don't want to ruin anything. For the eyes, we'll be going on with the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, as I do not see a lot of eye makeup, lot of vibrant eye makeup for this look. I will be going on with a very light eye makeup. I'll just be taking this glittery shade right here from the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and we'll be applying it all over the lid. And along with this orangish shade right here, I'll be putting some in my crease area and blending it with the glitter eyeshadow. Wow, that looks amazing. I really cannot see what she has done to her eye look because it's literally invisible. I just can see some glitter, so therefore I needed to put some glitter for this eye look. Now that's it. I have completed the entire eye look. Only my mascara is left. Even though I know she has applied falsies, but I am going to keep this look very wearable as well as very glam. You can wear this look even during the pujas, as Navratri is coming. Like it's already the day 2 of Navratri, I guess. So I will be using this mascara. It also gives you a very falsy effect. It's from Maybelline. It's the Colossal Volume Express mascara. I'll be applying it all over my eyelashes. Now I'll be doing this off camera because I cannot really apply mascara on camera. So just meet you very soon. I'm just done applying the mascara both in my upper and lower lashes. I will be going on with the brows. Like, since my brows are intensely dark and deep, I will be going on with just this mascara so that it looks cohesive. I will not be putting anything else in my brows. I don't want them to look like cartoon. Anyway, now as we are done with this entire look, I will be going on with my most favorite part, the lipstick. I will be applying the MAC Ruby Woo from the kit Lal Ishq. Wow, this color, it's such a beautiful color. Can you just see? Like one stroke. This is just one stroke and I'm done. How beautiful is the color? This looks so beautiful, you guys. Now I'll be just getting ready with my hair and I'll be back right. Now here is my entire look, you guys. I hope you all like it, and if yes, then please do not forget to subscribe and press on the bell icon. I'm new here and I hope you all like this video, and please do keep supporting so that I can create such videos every week for you all. Love you all so much. Hope to meet you all super soon. Goodbye. Mwah.